So you want a smart plug that does this. Alexa, turn off plug me. Alexa, turn on plug me. So here's my review for the Amazon Smart Plug. So as you can see, it comes in a small box like this. Open it up, you see that it's a smart plug inside, and instruction manuals right here. And behind this black one is the sync key. Based on my first impression of the smart plug, holding in my hand, it's quite big. It's 3 inches wide, about 3 inches wide, 1.5 inches in length. It'll take up your whole outlet. So in order to set this up, you just need to plug this into your outlet, press this button to turn it on. This will turn on blue, and then use your Amazon Alexa app to connect to it. So let me show you how it works. First, you go to Amazon Alexa app, and then you go to devices. And then you click the plus sign to add device. Then you click on the add device. Next you're going to do is click on plug, and then Amazon. Then click next, and then scan your barcode like this. Okay, and after that, it's gonna look for your plug, and give it about maybe 1 to 2 minutes. It's gonna find your Wi-Fi connection through the Amazon Alexa app. And then it found and connected your plug. Go back to your main screen. You won't see the plug on there, but then click onto your plug on top, and this way you can turn it off and on if you want to. And this next step is how to change the plug name. First, you're gonna click on your add device again. Gonna click on the plug name, then click on settings, and then edit name. Then you change to anything you want. I changed this one to plug me, and that's it. That's all you need to do. Alexa, turn off plug me. Alexa, turn on plug me. Here's an example of what looks like a plug into the wall socket. This is off. Press the button, turn on blue, that's on. Alright. So the one pro is that this smart plug works for lamps or anything that has a dedicated on switch, so you don't have to turn it off. So for example, if you have a lamp, just turn on the light and then just leave it on, and then just use this smart plug to turn it off. Or if you have a basic coffee maker, you just switch the switch on forever, and then use this to turn off, and use this to turn on. So, but unfortunately, there's a lot of con for it too, because if you don't have a dedicated on switch, like your portable AC or your TV or your Keurig coffee machine, you actually have to physically press on every single time for the AC and the Keurig or the TV. The TV doesn't turn on because it has electrical power. You have to actually press the power button. So that's the con for it. I don't see this, being worth it to buy. From scale of 1 to 10, I would put it as 2, because for some people, they just want to use this to plug in their lamp. But for my case, if I want to turn on my lamp, I would just buy a Philips Hue system. Yes, it does have a hub, and you need to connect the hub, but that's just the hub. And you can buy as many lights you want for all your lamps, and you can turn it on and off using Alexa app. So that's just basic. That's just my opinion. So there you have it. That's all I have for the smart plug, and I have no need for it. So I'm gonna do a raffle in this channel. Just give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and comment below. And once this channel hit 200 subscribers, I will go ahead and raffle it up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you.